Consider a ductless mini-split heat pump upgrade for new home construction when you want precise zoning, higher seasonal efficiency, and flexible installation that avoids added ductwork. Choose multi-zone ductless mini-split systems to serve separate living areas independently and size each indoor head to match the room load rather than relying on whole house rules of thumb. Prioritize inverter-driven outdoor units because they modulate compressor speed to maintain temperature with lower cycling losses and smoother operation. For cold climate builds, pick heat pumps rated for low ambient operation. Manufacturers list a minimum operating temperature and a rated heating capacity at specific cold temperatures, so match that to your local design day. If you want a hybrid approach, integrate the mini-split with existing ductwork by using 1 or 2 high-capacity indoor units tied into the main return plenum. This lets you keep primary heating from a furnace when needed while gaining zoning benefits. Always include Wi-Fi-enabled controls and programmable schedules so occupants can reduce runtime in unused zones and track energy use. Simple rule of thumb is set setback temperatures by 2 to 4 degrees when rooms are unoccupied. Work with the mechanical designer to perform room-by-room heat load calculations using current standards and factor in solar gains and envelope performance so the selected indoor heads are not oversized. Common mistakes include undersizing or oversizing based on square footage alone, which leads to short cycling or poor comfort. Fix this by doing proper heat load calculations and choosing inverter units that handle part load efficiently. Another issue is improper placement of indoor heads that creates stratification or noise problems. Place units high on interior walls away from direct sunlight and at least 3 feet above expected occupant zones. And use branch piping routes that minimize bends. A third concern is not planning for service access and condensate management, which can cause maintenance headaches and leaks. Ensure outdoor units are accessible for service, provide insulated drain lines with slope to the exterior, and consider a condensate pump if the drain path is above the unit. We built BigHomeProjects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors for projects like mini-split upgrades and hybrid system installs, and to help contractors find qualified leads in their area. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share installation tips, product experiences, and real-world feedback so both homeowners and professionals can learn from each other.